dab, 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 just a little. Welcome back. Well, we're just gonna get started. Okay, I'm gonna put some full tips on, and I have a design in mind. We're gonna see if it works. I'm gonna use these nails today, just little shorties. They just come on like these little stick things, which I hate. Just gonna measure these out, and then we're gonna get started. All right, so the best part about these nails is that they're already like pre-filed. I don't know if you can see that. So you put this on. My nails are shit, so I'm not filing them, okay? Like, I'm not doing that. Step 2. Just brush that on. This is a base gel. Okay. I'm gonna use this by the Beatles, not the singing group. And I'm just gonna get to going. Okay. In the center. Pull down at the booty a little bit. Make sure you get those edges. Cause those edges don't be wanting to they don't be wanting to stick. I'm gonna use my this light, whatever this is called, to do the sticking. Keep on pressing. Boom. Okay, nail on. Keep going. Put your dab of glue on. Get it where you want it. Hold it. Hold it. All right, I'm gonna show you again with the little dab. Dab, dab, dab. Just a little. Like I said, push it to the back and let it kind of like flow to the front. I like to hold the nail from the top and push up against my fingernail at the bottom. Like pinch it together, if that makes sense. Okay, cool. So this is what we're looking like right here, and not too bad. So I'm gonna do the other hand and I'll be right back. So this is what my nails are looking like. Pretty good. Okay, it's been a long time since I've done these, so not too bad. I did go ahead and cure them for a little while longer in my nail lamp, just for like an extra 30 seconds. I'm just gonna take my nail file and just go around the edges of my nail just to make sure there's nothing on my skin. All right, I just want to let you know that there's pure chaos behind me and I'm hiding it with this bucket. This is where we're at. I've filed around the corners and things like that, so everything is super smooth at this point. So what I want to do is like a Sprite theme. Actually like a lemon lime vibe. One hand mostly yellow, one hand mostly green. Hopefully I don't fuck up. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some color. Okay. And I kind of wanted to just sweep it. So that's what I did. And I'm going all the way to the bottom.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So far, so good. I'm gonna do another coat of this and then I'll be back. So I just realized I should do this first. Take white and create dots in like this open space here. Just like that. Okay. Ooh, that was too big. That was too big. Like, I need it to dry. And if it's too big, it won't dry. I'm gonna let that dry for a second and then add yellow dots. And then it'll be the opposite on this hand. Yellow with green dots. Or green and white dots. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm liking this. I'm liking this. Okay, it's yellow time. Girl, do not mess this up. Oh, shit. See what I'm talking about? Already finna mess stuff up. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing. Just like a little bloop. Oh my god, some of these circles are not circling. They're not circling. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna take this silver and just add it in the open spaces. A dot. Now I'm gonna take this and do the hard part, which is this hand. Wait, should I do, okay. Okay, can I do this? Deep breaths. Okay, that wasn't too bad. Just kind of let the brush flow. Okay. I messed up this one for sure. Okay, let's see. Oh. Okay. Let's do a second coat really fast, and then I'm gonna let it dry. I mean, it was pretty much dry anyway, but oh. Okay, we're in a home stretch. I'm gonna show you up close afterwards, but I guess you can kind of tell. Y'all didn't see this, but I put this hand under the lamp and this green went to silver. I just messed up my finger. Oh my god. Oh, I'm an idiot. I'm stupid. Okay, I'm just gonna do like that for a second. Go in with the top coat, Beetles, and then I'll show you guys the finished look. Can you guys tell what I'm saying when I talk with my hands? Talking with my hands, but you can't see my face. Does it make sense? Okay. This is also, like, obviously you're sealing everything, but this is also the step that kind of thickens the nail a little bit and gives your nail that final little razzle dazzle, so that it looks like you went to the salon. Wow, that's crazy how it just changed back. So I'm gonna do this hand. I'm gonna actually do this for a minute. I mean a minute and a half. Do this hand, and then I'll come back with the final look, okay? I just got done with my nails, and this is what they look like. Cute. It's giving Sprite, right? Do you catch the Sprite vibe? Also, lemon lime. It's like slightly, in my opinion, a little bit more childish than I would like, but it's still super cute. I feel like I probably should have just did like white dots by themselves.